this video, we're going to be using the composer package in our custom module. In a previous video, we implemented a local composer JSON file to our custom module, and we made a nudge to the global composer JSON file so that we could include a custom package. In this video, we're going to create a controller in our custom module. We're going to include the package to it, and we're going to use it to generate a list of weird character names. So here we have a Drupal instance installed, and in the code base of it, we actually have the module that we started in the previous video. And our module is called Drupal Utils, and it has a composer JSON file, which basically includes the NUPS random name generator package, and we have a simple info.yaml file. Additionally, we actually made a nudge to the global composer JSON file, and the nudge was basically the extra merge plugin, and we specify in which folders the merge plugin could search for additional composer JSON files. So we're now going to quickly create a controller here, and we're going to continue from there. But before that, I will quickly enable our custom module. So it's called Drupal up utils. There it is. So I'm going to activate it, and now I'm going to quickly create a controller, and we're going to continue from there, adding the functionality from the custom package. Perfect. So we created a controller with a root, and we defined a path called namelist, and on this controller we actually simply rendered two strings as unordered list. What we want to do now is we actually want to use the composer package NUPS random name generator, and in order to see the namespace of this package, we would go to vendor, and we're going to check in the NUPS folder and then in the random name generator folder, and there is a readme file, and in the readme file we would actually see how we can use this package. And it's a really cool package. It enables us to generate random names, and it also has a special class that generates random game names. Let's copy the whole bit. So what we can do here is we could simply paste this snippet here, and we could move this in the use statement up here like this, and here we're going to say new vgng, and for the generator get name we're going to directly place it here as third name. So let's go ahead now and refresh. And we're going to see that we're actually generating a completely random name with the help of our composer package. And what we can do to make it even nicer is we could put here a for statement, and we could say for I equals 10 equals 1, let's say, and I smaller than 10, do a I plus plus, and we could basically here say we would have a list of weird names, which would be an array, and we could here say list of weird names, new one is a generator get name. So we're going to generate a bit more random names, and we're going to simply put here the list of weird names in the items. So like this. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Oh, perfect. So now we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 weird character names. So we have the Go-Go Ballet CD, we have the High Speed Kabuki Fun. So let's go ahead and generate like 99. So this way we're going to generate 99. Oh, that's crazy. We have 3D College World, Terrible Booty, Collector's Edition, Oh American Banjo Dudes, Savage Tankman, and yeah, some more of the 99 weird character names. We could this way also generate 999, and that's not a problem at all. With the help of this custom random name generator, we could generate as much as we want, and actually they are kind of unique. As you see, from 999 there are no doubles, so we just checked one. Let's go ahead and check another one. You see they're absolutely unique, which is really cool. So if you like this video, please have a look at the links in the description, like, subscribe, comment, and thanks for watching.